So you might be in a situation where you want to go ahead and convert a video to an audio on your particular Android phone. Now, doing this is very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to make your way over to your internet browser. So you will need an internet connection to do this. There may be apps to do this, but it's just easier to do it from your internet browser. And what you're going to want to do is you want to type in convert video to audio on Google. So you'll come into a page that looks kind of something similar to this. Now, you can go on any of these websites that will basically give you this type of process. So you can click on video to MP3 converter right here, and it will allow you to go ahead and choose your particular file. So what you want to do is you can click on choose files, and you can choose a file from whatever page you basically want to. So in this case, I can choose gallery, or I can choose, like I said, I can choose whatever page I want to. So if in this case, I wanted to choose like this video or some video from here, let's say this one, what I can do is I can choose this video, click on done. And then once that device is chosen, it's going to take a little bit of time for it to go and process and come in. And then it'll allow you to choose your different options and audio options, all these different things. And then whenever you're ready, you can click apply to all files that come in. And then will allow you to basically bring in that particular file, and then it will convert it into an audio. So it really is that basic. It can be kind of confusing for some people, but that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. Bring in the file, go ahead and click on convert. It'll take a little bit of time if it's going to be taking a longer time if it's a bigger file. And then from there, you can go and download it out. And that really is all you're going to have to do. It really is that basic. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.